for our poster, our little scratch program looks like this. We used a photo of our setting as our background, and we took our little image we had made of our little character, and we used that as our costume. One little note is with the costumes, this little magic wand here can help get rid of the background stuff, and it gives a little tutorial on how to do that if you need that. So then in script we had three important things. First, what it does when it starts, so we make sure it's the right costume, the right size, and in the right spot. What it does when the down arrow is clicked, because that is going to be our no, our false, or our incorrect response. And so when it's incorrect, I have a little sound that goes, oh no, and then it repeats 4 times a little back and forth of the costume from a right to a left, and we're going to play that right now. We'll see what it looks like.
Oh no!
It's just a silly little voice, which is fun. How to make your own sound. In sound, there's a nice library of lots of sounds, plunge sound, pop sound. We tried different things. But you can also, even on the standard Chromebook, there's the ability to create your own sound and just record it. Super easy. Just to record, stop, you can hear it over and over again, give it a name, and it right away puts it as an option in the script so that you can pick it when you're choosing your sounds. Over here is our what happens when they get it right. So in this one, we just have him go for a flight because this guy is a puffin, a flight like a puffin. He can fly, not like a penguin. And so one trick there is when you're doing this one is if you drag him to where you want him to be, it sets all these numbers exactly the way you want them. So then when you drag over the glide 1 second to a coordinate, it already has the coordinates. So I just moved him around to where I want him to go, and back to the beginning again, and playing our fun little sound, and we'll see what that sounds like. I'm going to start this over so he's back in his spot, and here we go. We're going to see what it sounds like when he just...
Wahoo! You did it!
He goes for a little fly, and he's back to the beginning. So we're all set again, and that's it. So I'll just zoom in on those codes again. There we go.